Mobile Legends. I know it's been I know that's from 1 month, but today, iba, there's someone is gonna play it, and it's not gonna be me. It is a special guest. My friend is my friend Nathan.
Yes, I've been pro on this game. So let's see. Let's just wait and dance.
I-try mo si Gochu Sakura.
Let's Layla.
Ready? Go!
Simka kay Layla, Simka kay Layla, Simka kay
No.
Layla.
No.
Sino ang creator ng Mobile Legends? Diba sabi ko Mobile Legends?
Kasi, meron na mobile. Tapos, meron na
Paano ginawa nito? Sexy ang mukha. Guys, si Byron, hilong. Tapos pag laro mo, kamukhang pangit, kamukhang giraffe. Kagaya rin kay Sandro.
Di ba anak ko? Di ba dito mo na?
Oo.
Gas na yan? Magagastos na yan.
Hindi kagasgas. Hindi katulad ako.